In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a status in ClickUp. Whether you're a project manager or just someone trying to keep track of your personal tasks, figuring out how to effectively use status updates can revolutionize your workflow on ClickUp. Let's walk through this straightforward process together, ensuring that you can keep everything organized at a glance. First things first, let's head over to ClickUp. Open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the ClickUp website to log into your account. You'll be greeted with a dashboard filled with all your tasks, spaces, and lists, waiting to be organized and updated. Remember, keeping your tasks updated makes tracking progress seamless. Now, once you're inside ClickUp, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see your profile icon. Clicking this will bring up a drop-down menu. From this menu, go ahead and select Set Status. This feature allows you to update and customize the status of your tasks, so your team can easily see where everything stands at a glance. After clicking Set Status, the next step is to select the status you want to set. You will be presented with several options depending on your team's setup, such as In Progress, Complete, Stuck, or any custom statuses your team might have created. Choose the one that fits your current situation best. This status then helps everyone within your workspace understand at a quick look what stage your task is at. It's a bit like having a traffic signal for your projects. Everyone understands the color code. Once you've chosen your desired status, the next step is crucial. Click Save. This commits your changes, ensuring the status is updated across all relevant areas within your ClickUp account. This simple action locks in the changes you've made and updates your team on your current progress. A small tip here. As a good practice, make sure you save regularly when updating statuses, particularly if you're making multiple changes across various tasks. It just helps to maintain clarity and accuracy within the team. And there we have it. With these few simple steps, you've successfully updated the status in ClickUp, helping you and your team maintain peak productivity with clear, visible task progress. As you get familiar with this feature, you'll find it becomes second nature, enabling a flow to your work processes and enhanced communication within your team. Thank you for tuning in today to learn how to add a status in ClickUp. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing for more insights and tips on managing your projects effectively. Until next time, stay organized and keep those projects moving forward.